Huh?
We are recording.
No.
Look at that. It may look like rain, but it's snow.
It's snow.
We are in Michigan.
Fucking Michigan.
More. Wow. Well, I'll let you make history. Talk to you later.
Shoot.
Is there a car going off? Is that a train?
There ain't no train in Michigan. There ain't no train in Michigan. Shovel poop.
Ready? 2, 1.
Victory is mine.
Victory is mine.
No. What the deuce are you looking at? Light.
See.
Here, you can do this. Damn it, I always went the wrong way.
My ears! You could have ripped out my fucking earrings.
Die, Buster, die!
No, isn't that cool as shit?
No! That's what I felt.
No! I just wanna live. Bitches. Give us my face. I look. Look at it. Look at your face.
No ways!
No ways! 1 minute and 30 seconds. So cold outside.
My feet are freezing. Feet.
Beat.
I want a pony. I can do the girl off the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory movie.
Daddy!
Gotcha! I want that squirrel.
Squirrel.
Do it now.
Okay, are we done now? It's 2 minutes.
Alright.
Okay. Okay, bye!
Bye!
Okay, bye!
Bye!